Hello friends, so in this video tutorial of Power BI DAX, what we will do, we will solve certain answer of questions. Like we have a data set here, just close this. So we have a data set here where we have order ID, region, sales representative, product category, order quantity, sales revenue, and beside that customer segment, product line, profit margin, and customer region. So from this data set, what we need to do, we need to solve certain questions. Like one thing is there, like we have to first clean this data. Like we have here is a dollar sign. For that, I will just click over this and then I will go to edit query. And after going to edit query, a Power Query editor will open. And what I will do, I will just increase the size here. And after increasing the size here, I will go to my sales representative and then I will go to transform, and after going to transform I will go split by a delimiter, and it will ask like dollar is the sign, it automatically take dollar. If in your case if it's not come, you have to put dollar sign from your keyboard, which is a shift plus number 4, and then you will press OK. So now you can have a remove dollar from here. Now next thing, I will just click over this and remove this, and I will give it a name only sales here, sales revenue here, and enter. So we have now data, so I will just go home and close and apply. So now we have a data set here which include your, so it will take a few seconds and it will be loaded. So now we have a data. So now we have removed our, we have to check, yes, we have removed our dollar signs from our sales revenue, and we have all the details here, so which include your region, high-end, and your profit margin, sales, and your order quantity is there, and product category is there, product line is there, customer segment, product line, profit margin, customer, and your sales revenue. So all these details are there here now, and from this we will solve certain questions. And these questions are like, if I will go here, so what is the total sales? So like from this data we have to find out the total sales, and that we will do with the help of a DAX formula here. So to do it with the DAX formula, what we will do, I will create a new measure here. I will click over here, new measure. So when I click on a new measure will be added here, and here I will give name total sales. Then I will put equal to here, then I will put sum, then open the bracket, and from this sum what I need to do, I will take the name of our table, which is sales performance 2 is the name, and from here I will take sales revenue and just click over this. So we can solve this question here, so it's working. Now we have a total sales here. Now if I will go here in our DAX, like what is our total sales, I will go to the new page, and from the visualization pane, what I will do, I will take this card, and in this card I will put this total sales. In the field I will put the total sales, so it will show us the total sales. So we will check the data, and from data we will find out what is our total sales. Next thing is, like if I will again go to my reports and number of unique sales agent, like we have a certain sales agent here, and if we want to find out which one is unique from this our sales agent, Like if we will go to our table, so like we have all these sales representative here, and from this we have to find out the unique with our DAX formulas. So how we can do that? So for that I will write another menu measure, and I will give it a name like unique. I will give something like this, unique sales. Then I will put equal to here, and after that I will write the formula, which is a distinct count, and in this distinct count I will put the name of the sales representative here and just click it. Now we have a unique salesman here. So now I will go to my report page, and here I will take a card, and in this card we will put unique sales. So the formula for that is, if I will click over this, is a unique sale distinct count is the formula for that. So now we have a table here, and in this table we will find out product category, average order quantity by our category electronics. So we will do that. So if I will go here, average order quantity for electronic category, so we have to find the answer of this question. For that, what we will do, I will go to the new measure here, and after clicking on new measure we will type the name average order quantity electronics. I will give the name of the category, then I will put equal to, then I will put the formula here, which is average x. So average x formula is used when we want to use average of more than 2, like where we are using more than 2 rows. So here I will put here, and then I will put filter. After putting the filter, I will give the name of our table, which is sales performance. I have changed it to sales performance, and put comma, then I will put sales performance, and here I will take product category. So our product category in our case is equal to, then I will put inverted comma, double inverted comma, and here I will write this name electronic. So it should be the same. Then I will put sales. I think we have to close this. Then I will put sales, and here I will took quantity. So we have to find out order quantity here. Here is the order quantity, and just click over this. So average order quantity, filter. So average x, then filter, then sales performance, then comma, then again sales performance, then product category, and give the name here electronics and sales performance. So average x function will use when we are using more than 2 rows. Filter is used so that we can filter out electronics from our product category, and sales performance, from sales performance our table we will take order quantity, so that we can take the average of that. So we will take the average of sales performance here. Now we will go to our chart here, next page, and take a card here, and in this card I will put this average order quantity, so which will show the average order quantity of our electronics products. So next question is maximum sales for single order. So I will put here maximum sales for single order. So we have to find the answer of this now. So if you will go to our table and see the sales revenue here, and if we have to find out, like in our case the table is small, so we know that 600 is the value here, which is our maximum sale. For that, if you want to create a measure, we will create a new measure. Then I will put here maximum sales revenue. I will just increase its size. Now it's clear to see. Then I will put equal to, and after that I will put the formula maximum. Then I will put sales performance, and from this sales performance I will take sales revenue here. This is our sales representative. We have to take sales revenue here. I think this will be the sales revenue. Then I will close this and enter. So we will create a measure which will help you out to find out the maximum sales from our revenue list. So I will go to report, then I will go to my page, and here I will take another card, and this time I will put here maximum sales, so which is 600. So if we go to the table, so we can find out the maximum sales. Similarly, we can find out the minimum sales also. Like if I will copy this and create a new measure, and instead of maximum I will put here minimum, and instead of max formula I will give min formula, and then run this. So we will have a minimum sales revenue detail here also, and then I will go to our report. Then I will take another card to show you the result, and here I will put the minimum sales. So this way we can find out minimum and maximum sales from our data using the Power BI DAX formulas. So our next question is, like if you will go to our questions here, maximum total sales revenue by wholesale. So total sales revenue by wholesale. So we will go to our table here. So wholesale is our customer segment. So we have a different customer segments here, like retail, wholesale, and we want to find out wholesale total sales. So what is the wholesale total sales? So for that I will go to my report again, then I will go to this page, and here we will find out. So I will put new measure here. That is basically a customer segment. So we have to find out the total sales from that. So I will take total, I will put it like total sales by wholesale. This is the name. Then I will put equal to, then I will put calculate here. After calculating, putting the calculate, I will put sum. So we have to sum, which is our sales revenue. So from sales performance table I will take sales revenue, then I will close this and comma, and again take sales performance, and here we have to take our customer segment, and our customer segment here is equal to inverted comma, like we have to double quotes here, then we have to put the same spelling. It should be in the same spelling the way it is wholesale. Then I will close this and close this also, and just enter. So I will show you the table, and then we will check the formula. So it is working now. So if we will compare it with the table here, and then we will total sales. Okay, so this is our formula wholesale. So we have taken the customer segment here, and from sales revenue we have taken the complete sales. So first of all it will sum complete sales, then it will from customer segment it will only take the total sales of your wholesaler only, what is our wholesale material. So then I will go to the report again, and here I will put the card, and in this card I will put total sales by wholesale. So this way we can create total sales by wholesale with a DAX formula. So now we have to find out our next question. So what is our next question here? So our next question is, like minimum profit margin for high-end products. So we will go here in our table. I will just remove this. This is not required now. Okay. So like product line minimum, like question is our, like if you go to the question, the question is minimum profit margin for high-end product. What is the minimum profit margin we have earned from high-end product? So like we have a product line here, and here we have profit margins. So for high-end product, what is the minimum profit margin we have earned? Like here we have a table here. So our product line include your high and mid range and your low end. So we have three type of product line, and from this we have to find out only for high end minimum profit margin. For that we will click on new measure, and here I will write minimum. I will just increase the size here, and here I will put minimum profit margin high end product. So this is the name I have given to the DAX. Then I will put equal to. So here I will use the formula min-ax. So we are using the two rows here, so I will use the min-ax. Then I will use filter, and from our table I will take the sales performance table. I think we have to put here comma, then sales performance, then I will put again comma, then I will put sales performance. And for high end product, our name is your, I have to take the name here, and that is your you have to check it, product line, product, not is product category, it's basically product line. So we have to take the product line here, and then I will put equal to, and in inverted comma I will write with the same spelling as given here, high underscore end. So this is the high end. So from filter we have to sales performance, product line is high end. Then I will close this, and then I will comma. Then we have to take the another tax, which is our profit margin. So from sales we have to take the profit margin here. I think this will be the profit, product line is not profit margin. So we have to take the, sorry, it's not product. So might be this one. So profit margin we have to take. Then I will close this and enter. So now we will take the minimum profit margin for high-end products. So now we will go to our report. Then I will go here and just see like minimum profit margins is here. So I will just click over this new your card, and in this card what I will do, I will put this minimum profit margin here. Click over this, and then I will put minimum profit margin here. So now we have minimum profit margin here, and if you want to see the formula, I will click over this. So here we have used the min-ax function. So because we are finding the minimum, similarly we can use the maximum also. If you want to find out the maximum, we can also use it for maximum also. Suppose like we will create another DAX also. I will create new, and similarly I will have to find out the maximum. So I will take here max, and here also I will put max n, max x. So this is the formula, minimum, this is maximum, and just click over this. So we have a maximum profit margin also. Now I will put that again. I will put here DAX, put it here, and here I will put maximum profit margin. So we have maximum and minimum profit margin for high-end products. So we have used a DAX formula to find out for a particular your this product line, which is higher. So our next question is how many order by each sales representative. So we have to find out how many order by each sales representative. So if you will go to our table here, so we have a sales representative, like we have a John here, like if we will take them one by one, like we have David who have 3 orders here. If you will click on Emma, they have 2 orders. So different people have different orders here. Some have 2, some have 3, and all this. So now we have to find out order count by sales representative, like how many orders they have count. So for that, what I will do, I will go to the new column here. So we will add a new column. It will be in the home tab also and in the column 2 also. And then I will write the name here, order count by sales representative. This is the name which we have given to our DAX formula. Then I will put equal to, and after that I will put a calculate here, and after putting the calculate we have to count them. So I will put count, and after putting the count we have to take the sales performance table and order ID. So we will take here order ID first of all. So it will add order ID first of all. Then I will close this, and here I will use the all except formula here. So this will use here. Then I will take sales performance, then comma, and again I will put sales performance for our sales representative. So I think this will be our sales revenue. This is our sales revenue. So I have to just move down, it's just between showing us. So here we have to take sales representative, and then I have to close this 2 times, and then so it will all except will do the things like it will basically, first of all it will count number of order, and all except will only, it will use as a filter, and it will only count order for each and every salesman. Then I will put yes, enter here. So if we have created a column here, so in this case we have to create a column because we have a multiple answer here. So we have a 3 order for your John, 2 for your Emma Johnson. So different people have different order set. So from the table we will take the order ID to know the number of orders, and all except is to filter, and then we will take sales performance with sales representative. So it will filter sales representative and find out and count each order for them. So now friends, the next question is average sales revenue per order. So if you will go to our order, so and this is our sales. So if we want to find out the average sale for that, so I will write a new measure here. So I will go home, and then I will put new measure, and when new measure will be there, so I will write down average sales. So we can do this average sales equal to, I will put the formula average here, then I will take sales average revenue here and just put it like this. So this will find out our average sales. So this is easily done. And if we will go to our reports here and want to put this average sales here, so we can put any card here. I will just remove this and put a card, and in this card what I will do, I will put this average sales. So we have an average sales here, so it will find out what is our average sales. So here is our sales, and that is our average sales. Now next thing is, if we will go here, total sales revenue for order in USA. So if you want to find out only in USA, like we have a certain areas, USA, Canada, UK, so we have different area, but we want to find out the sales only in our USA area. So what we can do that? So for that I will put new measure here, and in this I will say, I will give the name TOTL, total sales in USA. Then I will put calculate here, then I will put sum. So what we need to sum here, we have to sum our total sales here. So this is our revenue here, and next thing is I have to close this. If not closed, then it is working. No, we have to close it complete. Then we have to like sales for our, this is our region. So customer region I have to take, I think this will be the customer region here. Okay, customer region equal to, that should be the same spelling here which we have put there, USA. Then I will close this and close this also, and just run this and see whether it will give the answer or not. So we have created total sales in USA, we have created a measure. Then I will go to again to a card, and I will put a card here, some new card, and here I will put total sales in USA. So this is our total sales in USA, it is showing. So now our last question is, what is the name of our top selling salesman? Like if you want to find out the name of top selling performance with the DAX formula, how we can do that? So for that, what we will do, I will go to first of all my report here. It's already is showing some formula. So then I will go to new measure here. So we can create a new measure. And after that, like we have a salesman here, and here we have sales revenue. So the customer who have the most sales revenue is the top performing salesman. So I will write out the name here, top performing salesman. Then I will put equal to, and then I will put calculate, and after putting calculate, I will just open this so that we can see the complete formula here. Then I will put here max. I will go to the next line, and then I will put max, and then here I will put sales performance with our sales representative. So we will go and see where is our sales representative. So might be here is our sales representative. Okay, then I will close this comma, then I will put shift enter so that I can show you the next line here. Okay, and then I will write top n. So top n is the formula to find out the top n. So this is the formula to find out the best one, and that will be only one we have to find. All, then I will give all, and inside that I will take sales performance, sales representative, sales performance, sales representative. Then I will close this, then I will put comma, and after that I will go to another line and I will write calculate from here. Okay, so I will put calculate here, and then I will sum our sales performance, sales revenue. So that might be the last one, I think. Okay, that's okay. Then I will close this and put enter. So we have a new measure here, so where we can find out our top performing salesman. So for that, first of all, we will use the maximum formula, calculate max. So it will max top one all to find out the top only one. Then your calculate and we will sum this. Now we will go to our report here, then I will go to the page and I will take some card here, and from here I will take top. Here we have somewhere top performing salesman. So John Smith is our top performing salesman. So we will get the name of that salesman from this formula. So this way we can use some complex and some easy Power BI formulas in Excel and your Power BI. So stay tuned with us for more videos. Thank you very much.